This is the museum entrance and to the memorial store. In the Oklahoma City National Memorial Museum, you'll experience April 19th minute by minute. But most importantly, you'll discover what happened next, how a nation came together and healed and sought justice. The fence was originally installed to protect the entire perimeter of the Murrah Federal Building premises as it was going under investigation as well as the cleanup. However, the fence quickly found a higher purpose, and people expressed their sorrow by leaving tokens of love and hope, and they still do today along this small section of fence. Here we see one of the gates of time. The moment of destruction was at 9:02 a.m. The East 901 gate and the West 903 gate frame this moment, representing the innocence that came before and the healing that began immediately after. The reflecting pool stands where 5th Street was on April 19th of 1995. The gently flowing waters help soothe and inspire visitors to look into the pool and see the face of someone changed forever. You are also encouraged to put your hand in the reflecting pool and go over and touch the 903 wall of time. This symbolizes that you are taking part in the change of which the wall represents. This is the field of empty chairs. This field is where the Murrah Federal Building once stood, arranged in 9 rows that reflect the floor where the victims were located. These 168 chairs are each etched with the name of a person killed. The 19 smaller chairs represent the children that died in the nursery in that building. Originally, the field of empty chairs was blocked for the general public to walk among the chairs. However, now the chain has been dropped, and apparently you can now walk among the chairs to pay your respects. This section is called the Survivor Wall. The Murrah Federal Building's only remaining walls, with more than 600 names of those who survived the blast, are etched on this wall. This next section is the Survivor Tree. This is encircled by a promontory wall with a message of resolve. This near-century-old American elm stands at the highest point of the memorial as a symbol of strength and resilience. At this time, there was some reconstruction going on around the tree.